Okay, just to show you what we snagged from Birdman and K&S Custom Toys yesterday. First of all is this beautiful blanket. My husband couldn't leave without it. Birdman made it. This is the toy that Lucy just fell in love with immediately. Dana made it. I don't know how long it'll last. I'll probably end up having to just unstocking Dana for doing that. This is the Boing that we got for Frankie's cage. Right now, it'll eat him. Little foot toy for Lucy. She went right to it too. Her eyes were pinning on it. She thought that was neat. I haven't tried this with either of them yet, so I don't know how they'll react to it, but I think that's the cutest little thing. This is the first toy I held up to Frankie. He went right to it. John, I hate that you're not going to be able to continue making these. For Frankie to go right up to it, that says a lot. Thank you for making the toys you make. And he went right up to his fishy too. Apparently, Frankie is a big fan of Birdman toys. And I got a few other things from other people, but none of them got the reaction these got.